Welcome to the mesmerizing journey of artificial intelligence. We start in the 1950s, a time where the mere concept of AI was born out of scientific curiosity. As we enter the 1960s, we find a surge of enthusiasm, with programs capable of playing games like chess, sparking a race for more sophisticated systems. Fast forward to the 1980s, we see the rise of neural networks, a leap that allowed machines to learn from data, enabling them to perform complex tasks. The 1990s followed suit with an explosion in AI applications. From speech recognition to image processing, AI began to revolutionize various industries. Now, as we stand in the 21st century, the advancements in machine learning and deep learning have further refined AI, giving birth to virtual assistants and self-driving cars. The horizon looks promising, with quantum computing and robotics pushing the boundaries of AI. Still, as we marvel at this evolution, it's crucial to remember the ethical considerations accompanying these advancements. The responsibility lies in our hands to ensure AI is used for the benefit of humanity. Join us again as we continue to explore the captivating evolution of AI. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing insights into the world of technology.